Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing the Deluxe August Mystery Box from Double Dip. This is a monthly subscription box that sends nail products straight to your door. I am currently wearing the super cute mix and match French tip nails. If you missed that video, I will link it right here. So let's go ahead and unpackage this box. I just went ahead and grabbed my little cuticle pusher to rip open the sticker. And when you open it, this is what you see. I really love the theme of this month's mystery box. I love that it's already starting to be fall themed, and I think all of these stickers are so cute, especially the smiley face right here. I think it's really nice that these mystery boxes come with some really cute stickers. It's always nice to get products that are not completely nail related, but they're still cute and match the theme of the mystery box. I'm going to remove some of this confetti and show you the August Mystery Box insert card. You can pause and read if you would like to see what this says. So I'm going to start unboxing this from the right side, and the first thing that I pulled out is this Cleo and Cocoa Charcoal Cleanse Face and Body Bar, which by the way smells really good. I honestly don't really use bars of soap, but this smells really good, so I am going to try that out and see how this works. So here's what the bar looks like if you are curious. I cannot wait to try this out and see how it works for me. The next thing I'm pulling out is bubble wrap. So once I remove all of the bubble wrap, you can see that this is a gel polish. This is the Rainbow Glitter Cat Eye Gel Polish. I've personally never tried the cat eye gel polishes before, but I do really love to watch the videos of it because it is satisfying. It does have a swatch on the top, but I am going to go ahead and open it up so you can see exactly what shade of gel polish this is. It is a darker shade of gel, and it does have blue glitters, and those are the ones that react with the magnet. This is color 003. It does also come with the little magnet stick, and this is what moves the magnet glitters around in the gel polish before you cure. And the next thing I'm pulling out is a little jar. This is their loose glitter, and this one is a purple and black glitter. This is a mixed 5-gram jar of glitter. And the next item, I'm going to go ahead and take out those dip powder colors. Both the Deluxe and the Fun Mystery Box come with 3 dip powder colors, and here they are. The first one is 0N729. This is a pink shade. The next one is the mystery color. This is custom mixed for the mystery boxes. And the last one is CP013, and this one is a glitter. The next item I'm pulling out is another little jar of glitter. I do like this one a lot because it's green and yellows, and it makes me think about snakes. So I'm gonna have to do something like that on my nails very soon. And the next package I'm pulling out is their premium jelly liquid kit. I really love their new upgraded packaging. It's so cute. Unfortunately, the box is a little bit dented in, but thankfully none of the products are messed up or anything. So yeah, here's the back of the box if you would like to read it. So let's go ahead and unpackage this box. As you can see, it does have a little plastic thing that you can just slide out all of the products. This is basically like a liquid starter kit for the jelly tips. You get the Protein Bond, Adhesive Primer, Press On Glue Gel, and a No Wipe Gel Top Coat. Underneath that, we have some Cherry Blossom nail stickers, super cute. Of course, you get these swatch sticks to swatch out all 3 of those dip powder colors. I kind of missed it, but you also get another little bag. Inside this one is the eyeshadow brush applicator. This is to apply your chrome with. Inside I got this chrome pigment, and I believe this is like the unicorn chrome pigment, but I'm not sure. And an insert card for their Double Dip Facebook group. And last but not least, I seen this Double Dip Dip More Worry Less bag. I will link my special discount code down in the description, and this will give you a free item when you purchase a mystery box. So here's everything that came in my mystery box. Let's go ahead and swatch out those dip powder colors. Of course, all of these dip powders do come sealed to prevent the dip powder from leaking out during shipping or when you're storing them. So here are all 3 of those dip powder colors. So I'm going to take those swatch sticks and go ahead and swatch out these dip powders. I'm going to be using the dip base, which is number 2. I'm going to start by taking the dip base and adding a thin layer of this onto the swatch. Immediately after applying that, I'm going to dip the swatch down into the dip powder color. Then tap away any of the excess dip powder, and that's the first layer of the dip powder. I'm going to repeat the same process for the other two colors. Because this one is a glitter dip powder, I am pushing the swatch down into the glitters instead of dipping at a 45-degree angle. Once the nail is dipped, I'm then going to start pushing down the glitters into the nail before the dip base fully dries. This is going to give me a smoother surface. I'm then going to take the unicorn fluffy nail brush and dust away the excess dip powder from the swatch. I'm then going to repeat the same process to do a second layer of dip powder color on all of these swatches. Here are the dip powder colors after the swatches have been buffed and a gel top coat has been applied. Now onto the manicure portion of the video. I'm going to start by taking the Bella Vena Protein Bond and Adhesive Primer and applying these to the prepped nails. I'm starting out by taking bond and applying this to the entire nail. I'm going to repeat the same step on all of the other nails. I am currently wearing some full cover nail tips which I have already shaped and buffed over the surface of the nail. After that layer has dried for a few minutes, I'm then going to apply the adhesive primer, and I'm going to do the same step and avoid letting this product touch the skin of my fingers. Also, let me know what you guys think of my new intro. I was so tired of the other one, I just wanted something new. So let me know what you think down below. I'm then going to move on to the dip powder application. Taking dip base, which is number 2, I'm going to apply this to the entire nail. Once the dip base has been applied, I'm going to immediately dip my nail at a 45-degree angle into the dip powder color. This is the mystery color from the August Mystery Box. I'm then taking a small makeup brush and I'm going to be picking up the dip powder colors to ombre on the nail. So I'm going to do the same step as the first nail, so I'm going to apply the dip base onto the entire nail. And while the dip base is still wet, I'm going to take that makeup brush and dip it into the dip powder and then tap the brush to release the dip powder on the left side of my nail. I'm then going to quickly wipe away the brush and apply the other dip powder color to the right side of the nail. Ombreing dip powder with glitter dip powder colors are much easier than ombreing with solid dip powder colors, so if you're new to ombreing with dip powder or you're having trouble, definitely try to stick with glitter dip powders. And here's what that nail looks like. I'm then going to move on to the next nail, so I'm going to apply the dip base to the entire nail. And for this one, I'm going to be dipping into the glitter dip powder, so I'm going to push the nail face down into the dip powder to pick up those glitters. I'm then quickly going to push those glitters down into the wet base before it has a chance to dry. This is going to give me a smoother surface and make sure that all of those glitters are in the correct place. I'm then going to move on to the next nail, so I'm doing the reverse step that I did for my ring finger nail. I'm going to be putting the glitter dip powder on the left side of the nail and the solid color on the right. I learned from this method that you do need to do your solid colors first, otherwise the glitter is going to ruin the solid color part of the nail. For the thumbnail, I'm going to be doing a solid color nail, and for this one, I'm going to be dipping into the mystery color from the mystery box. I'm then going to take the mermaid tail fluffy nail brush and dust away all of the excess dip powder. If you missed it, I did get this brush from the July Surprise Fun Mystery Box, but I do see other colors on their website, so if you're interested in this style of brush, I will link the other ones down in the description. I'm going to repeat the same process to do a second layer of dip powder on all of the nails. So during this part is where I learned that you cannot do the glitter dip powders first. You do need to do the solid color dip powders first, because once I tapped away the excess dip powder, I seen that the glitters were kind of out of place. So I just went ahead and quickly tried to fix it. So it does look a little bit weird right now, but at the end of the video, it does turn out to look decent. So as I said, I'm just going to go ahead and do the second layer of dip powder on all of these nails. Okay, so I want to be extremely honest and tell you guys that I did not like this manicure, and I was debating on just cutting out this part of the video, but I did want to go and do a video testing out some of the products that came in this mystery box. I do really love both of these dip powder colors, but I think it just does not go with my skin tone at all. It kind of just washes everything out. I would have just used the other dip powder color that came in this mystery box, but I was not feeling a vibrant manicure, so yeah. I will be testing out the other dip powder color as well, but for this video, this is how the nails turned out. I'm also going to take the 000, which is the clear base, and I'm going to be adding a layer of this onto the glitter nail. This is going to prevent me from filing off the glitters when I go to file and shape the nail, so I do think this step is really important if you're using glitter dip powders on your nails. The next step is to take the activator, which is number 3, and apply this generously to all of the nails. This step is really important because it allows all of the layers of dip powder to fully harden and be ready to be filed. Then I'm taking the Bella Vita 180 grit hand file, and I'm going to be shaping the edges of the nails. This step is also important because after your dip powder application, the shape of the nail is altered a little bit, so I do recommend that you go ahead and reshape the edges of the nail. I'm then going to take a buffing block and buff over the surface of the nail. This is going to give me a very smooth nail surface and make the nails look a little bit more professional. After the nails have been buffed, I'm then going to take the dip top coat, which is number 4, and apply 2 layers of this to all of the nails. In between each layer of dip top coat, you do want to make sure that it is fully dry before applying the next one. It may also help with the finish of the nail if you do shorter strokes when applying the dip top coat. After the top coat has fully dried, I'm then going to take the cuticle oil, which is number 6, and I'm going to apply this to all of the cuticles. And here are the nails. I hope you guys like this design. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!